Hello, good morning. Tawe Remaldora po. This morning, I would like to share the words of God that are written in the Bible. Brethren, beware of false prophet, saying that he is an appointed son of God somewhere in Mindanao, but he is not, because he is saying those things which are not written. He even refusing the invitations of Senate hearing for him to answer the accusations against him. There is a verse in the Bible saying that submit yourselves to every ordinance of man for this Lord's sake, whether it be to the king as supreme. In Tagalog it says, 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 13, it says, kayo'y pasakop sa bawat palatuntunan ng tao, maging sa hari na kataas-taasan. Ganon dapat ang attitude ng tao kung siya ay nagsasabi na siya ay nasa katotohanan. Paano natin paniniwalaan yung ganong tao na yung kanyang mga sinasabi at mga ginagawa ay kabaliktaran sa mga sinasabi sa nakasulat, at ang taong ito ay mayroon na ngang 2 warrant of arrest na galing sa Senado at Kongreso dahil nagkaroon po siyang ng mga kaso. So, hindi tayo dapat maniniwala sa ganong tao na hindi naman nakabatay sa Biblia ang kanyang inaaral.